90% of the AIs out there can't actually book appointments because of one major issue. And I really want to discuss this in this video because this is an issue I have seen multiple times across appointments booking AI agents. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel. I'm the current CEO of Kami. And what we do is we build AI that books appointments. So we do this all day, every day. And the one problem that I see that voice agents most especially struggle with when trying to book appointments is not connecting to the calendar properly. It's not showing up or sending email reminders. It's not all of that, even though all those things are important and crucial. But what actually breaks most of these AI agents is they try to capture emails via voice, right? So right now, the way most people write their emails is not very straightforward. If I could say my email is arons@gmail.com. I said that, but the AI might interpret it completely differently. And so what we try to do instead of attempting to collect the email via a phone call, via voice rather, one thing I have my devs do instead is, as soon as the user says, I want to book an appointment, what the AI is going to do is, on the web, it's going to open a little box and say, if you want to book an appointment, please type your email in so I don't make any mistakes. And that increases the appointment booking success rate by almost 80%, because if you do it that way, the AI has zero chance of actually getting the email wrong, right? So that is one major thing. So what you want to do is capture the email properly via voice, via a text field. Cool. Now, this only works if you are doing it, your voice agent is on the web. Now, if your voice agent is not on the web, meaning it's an actual phone call, not a web call, then what you do instead is you could say, there are multiple ways to address this. I'm just going to shoot out some ideas off the top of my head right now. You could say, send me an SMS text, and I'll capture your email, right? Just text me your email address, and I'll set up the appointment. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to say, I'll send you the link to a form where you can fill in all your details and confirm your appointment. Now, these approaches are going to have a lower conversion rate because we're asking the user to do something, and not everybody will end up doing it. Which is why, again, voice agents are very tricky, and you need to tailor it to your use case, right? Now, it's not possible to have the AI agent attempt to capture the email while on the call, but again, that has a very low success rate. So the ultimate thing you can do is have that email before the AI agent gets on the call. So this is where connecting your CRM to your AI agent makes sense. This is where feeding the data into the AI before the call starts makes sense, right? So imagine if someone fills in their email, fills in their phone number. If the AI is trying to book an appointment at that point, it no longer needs the email because it should already have it, right? So that's how I like setting up appointment booking agents. Capture the email via a text box on the web. 2, you tell the user to send an SMS, or the AI will send them a form to capture that information. I don't like this approach because it's a lot of friction. And then lastly, you simply have that email before the call starts. Capture that email one way or the other from the lead before you have your AI call them. Or attach your AI to a CRM. So once they call, your AI can find who is calling from the CRM and then match their email address to the caller, right? Super high level stuff. But that said, let's get into a demo of how a web version of this would work.
Okay, yeah, so now we have this page right here. So let me just show you, explain to you guys what's going to be going on here. So now this is where the agents will be configured. Based on the last time we ran this in demo, you guys saw this whole aspect. So let's just go into connecting the calendar. So here, connect the calendar. Okay, select. Okay, yes, so our calendar is this week. So now we can now select the calendar we want to use. We can select whether we want to go to the main or a test. So let's just pick a test calendar.
So this is for people who have multiple calendars in your Google account. You can select a specific calendar you want the AI to put the appointments into, which is very useful. Organizations have multiple calendars, who have shared calendars across their team would want to use this feature.
Yeah, so let's just take demo test. So create the calendar. Okay, so now our calendar is so now let's watch the application. So let's click on select calendar again. So now you have more things. It's true that we have 4 calendar. Before you saw only for days, and now we are seeing demo test. We select demo test and we set it as the active calendar and we want to use this specific. So now let's just go to S1 topic here. Let's check it out. So we start the call.
And we prompted the AI before.
Yeah, just prompted the AI beginning to so
the prompt is like a super important part. So I'm not covering it to the
we don't want AI, we just go around.
It makes everything.
Let's start the call. Hello, good day. Hello, good day.
I can help you schedule a quick call with one of our specialists. Are you looking for a time to speak with our team?
Okay, yeah, sorry, I didn't catch your name. What am I speaking with you?
No problem. You're speaking with Ava from Katie. I can assist you in scheduling a quick call with our specialist. Are you looking for a time to speak with our team?
Yeah, I want to time to you guys. I would like to speak with the technical team just to get some things clarified.
Great. It will just be a short 5-minute call to see where let's get first. Just need to provide an email address, something like that, and then we can move on to scheduling your appointment.
Thank you, Joe. Okay, yeah, so this is what the call we talked about. So I'll just type in my email and submit.
Thank you for providing your email address. Now, I have openings today at 2 p.m., at 4:30 p.m., or tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Which works best for you?
So let's do tomorrow morning 10 a.m. I think that's perfect.
Great. Just to confirm, I have scheduled for tomorrow at 10 a.m., correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Booking your appointment.
Hello, you done?
Perfect. You're all set for tomorrow at 10 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly, and our specialist will call you at the scheduled time. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you so much.